Did you know that manatees are actually only 3 to 5% body fat?
So what makes them so adorably round?
Find out on this episode of
What's
Up, Girl?
What's up, girl?
What's up, divers? I'm Kaylee.
And I'm Marifer.
And have you ever wondered what makes a manatee shape just so spectacularly?
Turns out the size of the manatee is due to the dense bone structure, the large lungs, and the 150-foot gastrointestinal tract.
What? That's literally like 20 times the length of human intestines.
Yeah, and how does all of that fit inside the manatee?
I have no idea. It has to be like 99% intestines at that point.
We should call an expert.
Yeah, I think I know just the person too. So to the
STEM Girl hotline.
What's up, girl?
What's up, girl?
Hey, Steph. Steph loves manatees, so she's perfect for this. We don't know how manatees work.
Yeah, so manatees are one of my favorite animals. They're called sea cows because they spend about 8 hours a day grazing on seagrass. Basically, they're like aquatic lawnmowers. They can grow to be between 9 and 10 feet, which is almost like 3 meters long and weigh roughly between like 1,000 and 1,200 pounds. And the females are usually larger than the males. They're such a treasured sight in Florida. Anytime I'm there, I try to go look for them.
They've been swarming up the springs in Florida. What is that all about?
If you look at a manatee, it's easy to assume that they have this really thick layer of blubber like so many marine mammals do, but they actually have very little body fat, very little blubber. So when the temperature drops below 68 degrees Fahrenheit or 20 degrees Celsius, they can get really sick. They get something called cold stress syndrome, which can be fatal. But luckily for the manatees, Florida has a bunch of freshwater natural springs that stay a constant 72 degrees or so. The water comes out of the ground, stays that temperature year-round. So in the winter, these freshwater springs are like natural hot tubs for the manatees. Every winter, the manatees flock to these places like Crystal River, and on cold days, you'll see dozens or sometimes hundreds of manatees piled in to these warm outflows, barely moving and just conserving energy.
That's amazing, but I definitely still am not understanding this. They're big, round, exclusively eat sea veggies, and chill in the water all day?
Well, have you ever seen one in person?
No.
Nope.
Well, before I explain further, how is your paddling arm?
We're here at Kingsway Park in Crystal River, and we cannot wait to get up close and personal with some manatees.
Yeah, we're going on a kayak adventure, and we're so excited to bring you with us.
Yeah, so let's get in the water.
Let's get there. Come on.
I think one of my favorite fun facts about manatees is they are related to an animal that you would probably not guess. People might think, oh, it looks like a seal or maybe a walrus, but nope, that's not the answer. They're actually most closely related to elephants. When you kind of see their lips in action, it kind of makes sense. It's like an elephant's trunk that gets moved around. Their whiskers are highly sensitive and they use them to feel water movements and textures, and their whiskers are over their entire bodies, not just on their face like most animals we think of with whiskers, which is so cool.
We went on a side quest.
We ended our tour, got off our kayaks, and
We swam with manatees.
oh, it was awesome. We got to swim with him, and it was the best day ever. Officially on dry land after seeing like an insane amount of manatees out there. It was amazing getting so up close and personal. We want to thank Steph, our resident manatee expert and enthusiast, and we want to thank Waterlust for making sure we looked amazing while out there with our manatees, and a portion of their sales gets donated directly to environmental and conservation causes, including those protecting our springs and our manatees. And of course, we have to thank Get Up and Go Kayaking for just making this incredible tour and experience with these manatees possible today.
I want everyone to go out there and explore the world around them because there's so many amazing species, and in our case, manatees. So make sure you take care of our waters so that these beautiful species can still be out there and we can keep going to see them.
Of course. And make sure to like and subscribe so that you can stay tuned for the next time we go out on an adventure on
What's Up, Girl?